Today I want to show you how to create a sticky header in WordPress using the Breakdance builder. Let's go. Let's go to Breakdance, Headers, Add Header, give it a name, select the location everywhere. Then let's click on Edit in Breakdance. And at first we add a header builder element. Let's give it a white background. Let's add a logo. All right. And let's add a menu builder element. And when you select your menu builder element here, you can choose between different elements that you can add to your menu. So let's delete all those standard elements at first and just keep the menu link element here for now. So when you click on menu custom dropdown, it will add a custom dropdown element to your menu, and you can add more elements to this dropdown or delete the image, for example, and just keep the headline in there. You're free to do whatever you want with this item. With the menu dropdown, you get a pre-configured multi-column drop-down element, and you can add columns to it. And inside this column, you can add links. You can also add a description or an icon. Another element is the menu button, which adds a button to your menu, a call to action button, or a basic menu link. Let's duplicate the menu link for now. The first one is already set to home. The second one could be services, maybe about us, and maybe news or blog section. And let's also add a button. Change it to secondary or maybe custom. Let's change the color to maybe our logo color. Size small, just like that. All right. Let's change the font size to smaller font size. Maybe like this for now. All right. And let's save this a little quick and go to the front end view so we can see this now. All right. Here's our header. We can set this to a full width header to if we just click on the header builder element right here and go to layout and size width full. All right, let's save this. And now let's get back to our WordPress backend and let's create a sample page. And let's add some content to it so we can demonstrate or see the sticky header effect, which we will add in a couple of minutes. So let's just add a section here. Let's set this size to height to viewport, and let's just throw a random image in there. All right, let's save it a little quick. Go to the front end view, open it, and here's our header and our section below it. And when we scroll, the header isn't sticky because we haven't activated sticky yet. So let's click on the header builder element, go to the sticky section right here, click enable, and then let's save it. Go to our test page, reload it, and the header is already sticky. You can change the scroll behavior right here. You can add a value to hide after. Let's add 450 pixel. So your header will stay visible for 450 pixels, and then it will be hidden. You could also activate the reveal on scroll up setting right here. So your header will become visible again when you start scrolling up. And here is your sticky header in WordPress built with Breakdance. I hope you liked this one. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.